Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll explore how to display the hamburger menu from the Divi Menu module on desktop devices. By default, Divi shows the full menu on desktop and switches to a hamburger menu for tablets and phones, but this can create issues if your menu is too wide or doesn't fit well in a compact header. We'll walk through two methods to enable the hamburger menu on desktop using the Divi Booster plugin or some custom CSS. Let's get started. To show the Divi Menu module's hamburger menu on desktop using Divi Booster, you can take advantage of its built-in responsive option called Show Mobile Menu. This feature lets you easily decide whether the full menu or the hamburger menu appears on desktop, tablet, and phone. It provides a simple way to make your navigation consistent across all devices. To get started, you'll need to install and activate the Divi Booster plugin on your site. This process is straightforward and will enable the features we'll be using in this tutorial. Once it's activated, you'll be ready to customize your menu settings. The Divi Booster plugin is designed to help you customize the Divi theme more efficiently without needing to write any code. It comes with over 100 features and options, allowing you to tweak layouts, modules, headers, and much more. If you're interested, you can find the full details and access the plugin through the accompanying post. To begin, open the page, header, or theme builder template that contains your Divi Menu module. Locate the Menu module and click on it, or simply click the gear icon to open its settings. This will allow you to access the options you need to customize the module. Once you've opened the Menu module settings, navigate to the Design tab, then click on Layout. Look for the option labeled Show Mobile Menu. Here, simply enable the desktop value for this setting. This will ensure the hamburger menu is displayed on desktop devices. Once you've enabled the hamburger menu on desktop, it's a good idea to check the settings for tablet and phone as well. By default, these devices will already use the mobile menu, but you can adjust their behavior if necessary. This gives you complete control over how the menu appears across all screen sizes, ensuring a consistent and polished navigation experience. Once you've made your changes, don't forget to save the module. Then, preview the page on a desktop device. You should now see the hamburger menu button displayed in place of the full desktop menu, giving your site a clean and streamlined navigation style. If you're looking to enhance your site even further, you might consider improving your branding by adding the site title and tagline to your Divi Menu module. I've included a link to that tutorial in the accompanying post. Plus, you can explore the full collection of Divi Menu module tutorials there for more customization ideas. If you're looking for a lightweight way to display the hamburger menu on desktop for a single Divi Menu module, you can use custom CSS. While this method is simple and effective, it doesn't provide the responsive settings available through Divi Booster. So keep that in mind if you need more flexibility. To begin, open the Divi Menu module that you'd like to modify. Simply locate the module on your page, header, or template, and click on it to access its settings. In the Menu module settings, head to the Advanced tab, then click on Custom CSS and locate the Freeform CSS box. Here, you'll paste in the provided CSS code, which ensures the hamburger menu is displayed on desktop while hiding the default full menu. Divi automatically adjusts the code so it applies only to the current menu module. For the actual CSS code, please refer to the accompanying post. Once done, the styling changes will be tailored directly to this module. After applying your changes, be sure to save the module. Then, preview your page on a desktop device. You should see the hamburger menu button displayed in place of the full menu, providing a streamlined and compact navigation experience. Now that you've set up the desktop hamburger menu, you might want to enhance your site's branding by adding the site title and tagline to your Divi Menu module. I've included a link to a detailed tutorial on this in the accompanying post. You can also explore the full range of Divi Menu tutorials there for even more customization options. In summary, showing the Divi Menu module's Hamburger menu on desktop is an effective way to keep your header looking compact and consistent across all screen sizes. If you need flexibility and built-in controls, the Divi Booster plugin is your best bet. For a quick single module adjustment, custom CSS is a simple and lightweight alternative. And if there are additional menu options you'd like to see covered, feel free to share your setup ideas in the comments.